The PLDT high-speed hitters run in the 2025 AVC Women's Champions League has come to an end. The high-speed hitters were swept by Kazakhstan's Zetisu VC in their knockout quarterfinal clash. The nine-time Kazakh champions took the victory 25-13, 25-22, and 25-20. Savvy Davison closed out her first tour of duty for the flag with 13 points, 9 digs, and 5 receptions for PLDT. Their Cuban import Wilma Salas finished her debut stint with 11 markers and 11 receptions.
Siguro coming from the Thailand game, na naging proud naman kami sa ginalaw namin. Definitely, mas mahirap talaga yung game today. Kita naman din na, yun nga, kumbaga, yung mga ganong mga 6-footer na yung average masyadong mabigat para sa amin. Pero hindi naman siya excuse. Sadyang ano lang, siguro yung exposure lang na hinahanap namin. Pero yun nga, kung sa nag-gain namin, marami kami natutunan, saka happy kami na nakapaglaro kami team.